नमस्ते students, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JBN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our topic is government policies of small business. So let's start about government policies for small business. India has recently been described as the world's only emerging market at the moment. The growing SME sector of India propel a portion of this development. The small and medium sized sector accounts for over 40% of the total GDP and continues to be a vital source of job for the increasing population of India. Recognizing the significance of local SME in the government has launched several schemes to boost the SME sector. As a result, India has experienced a boom in startup in all industry, including IT, service, delivery, wellness, technology and others. The government has launched several schemes to make the process quick in order to enable young entrepreneurs to kickstart startup companies that will ultimately generate job opportunities. The majority of these schemes offer financial and in the form of subsidies and loans to prospective individual and organization. Beneficial government policy for budding entrepreneurs. In first, Atal Incubation Center AIC. Atal Incubation Center is a funding scheme that started in year 2016, envisioned by the Niti Aayog. This aim at supporting entrepreneurs by covering their operating cost of capital. The approved business venture can avail up to rupees 10 crore over a 5-year term. Atal Incubation Center allows research students and startup owners to apply for the scheme across different vertical and sectors. The entrepreneur can set their company as a public private partnership, public organization, or as a completely private organization. The entrepreneur needs to set up a space of around 10,000 square feet and should set up the physical infrastructure within 6 months of disturbance of financial assessment. Second is MSME business loan in 59 minutes. Right now, the MSME business loan in 59 minutes is doubtable. The most discussed business loan scheme. This program was introduced in year 2018 by the government of India. This scheme is introduced to provide financial assistance to micro, small and medium enterprises. The entrepreneur can avail of loans of up to 1 crore under this scheme. This scheme is very quick and within 59 minutes. You will know about your eligibility. Disturbance of the financial assistance happen within 1-2 weeks. A majority of the public sector banks are a part of this scheme. Third is National Small Industry Corporation Subsidy. NSIC subsidy offer two forms of financial benefit for small business: raw material assistance and marketing assistance. Raw material assistance help to purchase raw materials and from abroad and from India. Marketing assistance, on the other hand, help to improve the sales of product and service with an efficient marketing process. The program is introduced to provide loans to MSE who are looking for growth or rapid expansion. Fourth is MSME Market Development Program. This development program is designed to provide market expansion assistance to micro, small and medium enterprise using international events, trade fairs and roadshow. This system helps in the growth of the business by providing them assistance in terms of expansion into international market. Any startup organization registered under district industry central can apply for this program, under which the to and for traveling expenses will be borne by the government for participating in international exhibition. Not only that, in it bears half of accommodation charge and 3/4 amount of the participation charge. Fifth is Mudra loan. The government of India initiates Mudra loan for providing business finance for micro business units. This program was launched with the single motive of paying the unfunded. Since most of the time the small medium enterprises suffer from lack of to encourage participation and growth of the startup across different sectors like trading, manufacturing, service, etc. 6 is Swarojgar Credit Card. Swarojgar Credit Card was initiated to provide loan to small-time businessmen like fisher, homemakers, travel operators, shopkeepers, etc. Under this scheme, the small-time business owner can take a loan of 25 lakh in term of credit and facilities. A passbook is also provided to keep track of the financial transaction. The card will valid for 5 years and can be renewed upon satisfactory result from the initial investment. 7 is Koir Udyami Yojana. The primary objective of this scheme is to build Koir units throughout India. This Koir broader oversees this system, which provide financial assistance up to rate 10 lakh to eligible units. However, the credit term should not exceed 1/4 of the project value. Individual entrepreneur and joint venture, private institution and public venture in public and private enterprises can avail of benefits under this scheme. Eighth is refinancing by NABARD. This program launched by NABARD focus on providing refinancing to lending institute in agriculture area. This aim to provide growth to rural enterprise based in diverse area. Various handicraft, manufacturing industry, rural institutions, agriculture setup have taken part in this scheme and made rapid growth. Next and ninth, the Women Entrepreneurship Platform. The Government of India introduced the Women Entrepreneurship Platform to promote women's entrepreneurship. The Niti Aayog is the primary driver behind this program and aims to boost the morale of young and dynamic women entrepreneurs. This scheme has got 3 divisions. First one is Gyan, second is Iksha and third is Karam Shakti. Iksha Shakti aims to empower women to start a company. Gyan Shakti offer a favorable environment for setting up a business, whereas Karma Shakti provide practical help to boosting women entrepreneurs to start their own business or scale them up. Any form of the organization, be it NGO, corporation, and association led by women entrepreneurs can apply under this program. This scheme provides several other benefits such as monitoring, credit score improvement, and tie up with corporate. Next 10 is Stri Shakti package. Stri Shakti package is provided in India by most branch of the State Bank of India SBI and focus on providing women in business with a business loan. The biggest benefit of this startup business loan for women is that loan up to rupees 5 lakh need no protection. In addition, some concessions are made by the bank and such as having a reduced interest rate in the event of the loan exist rupees 2 lakh, but the main downside of this loan is that it is only open to women who hold a 51% or great share in the business. 11 is venture capital scheme. This venture capital scheme is a program run by small farmer agribusiness consortium. This program aims to improve agriculture production. Under this program, the small farmers agribusiness consortium help in the development of the agriculture market and improvement in the marketing of agriculture product. The minimum value of the business should be 50 lakh to become eligible for this program. 12th is end-to-end energy efficiency scheme. The end-to-end energy efficiency scheme was launched in the year 2016. The SIDBI initiated this program in collaboration with the Government of India. Any micro, small or medium enterprises that is in the business for 3 years and earning under this scheme. However, this scheme is designed to support only energy efficient units that needs to do an energy audit through an auditor affiliated with the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. The startup can also purchase equipment using this line of business finance. 13 is Credit Link Capital Subsidy Scheme. This scheme helps small medium enterprises to improve their productivity through technology upgrades. Technology upgrades can be attributed to different process and system related to the business such as sales, marketing, delivery model, etc. The Government of India launched the Credit Link Capital Subsidy Scheme to reduce the cost of production for SME, thus enabling them to remain competitive in comparison with other players in local and foreign market. 14 is Stand Up India. The Government of India started the Stand Up Indian program in year 2016. It is launched with the sole aim of promoting entrepreneurship and startup cultures in India and is driven by Small Industry Development Bank of India. The MSME can avail of loan of up to 1 crore. Under this program, this scheme enable you to take a loan of up to 75% of the total project cost. Thank you. In this session, important questions asked in the examination: describe government policy of small business in briefly. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, any question, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.